Sam Bankman-Fried, the disgraced founder of the collapsed cryptocurrency exchange FTX, was arrested in the Bahamas on Monday after U.S. prosecutors filed criminal charges, according to a statement by the government of the Bahamas. SBF's arrest followed receipt of formal notification from the United States that it has filed criminal charges against SBF and is likely to request his extradition, the statement said. Mr. Bankman-Fried has been under investigation by the Justice Department over the sudden implosion of FTX, a $32 billion company that filed for bankruptcy on November 11. Prosecutors for the Southern District of New York confirmed that Mr. Bankman-Fried had been charged and said an indictment would be unsealed on Tuesday. It is unclear what the charges are, but prosecutors have been examining whether FTX broke the law by transferring its customers' funds to Alameda Research, a crypto hedge fund that Mr. Bankman-Fried also founded and owned. Police in the Bahamas have arrested former FTX CEO Sam Bankman-Fried, the country's attorney general said on Monday, adding that the Bahamas has received formal notification from the United States of criminal charges against him. A spokesperson for the U.S. Attorney's Office in Manhattan confirmed the cryptocurrency exchange founder had been arrested in the Bahamas but declined to comment on what the charges were. As a result of the notification received and the material provided therewith, it was deemed appropriate for the Attorney General to seek SBF's arrest and hold him in custody pursuant to our nation's Extradition Act, the Office of the Bahamas Attorney General Rand Pinder said. FTX filed for U.S. bankruptcy protection last month, and Bankman-Fried resigned as the company's CEO as investors rushed to pull billions of dollars out of the crypto exchange. Bankman-Fried had been scheduled to testify remotely Tuesday at a U.S. House Financial Services Committee hearing examining the company's collapse. Surprisingly, for an executive facing criminal investigations, Mr. Bankman-Fried had given numerous media interviews in the wake of FTX's collapse. At the recent DealBook Summit, he blamed huge management failures and sloppy accounting for his company's implosion, insisting that he did not ever try to commit fraud or knowingly dip into FTX customers' funds to finance other investments. John J. Ray III, who has taken over for Bankman-Fried as CEO of FTX and whose credentials include supervising the corporate cleanup after Enron imploded, has already said, "Never in my career have I seen such a complete failure of corporate controls and such a complete absence of trustworthy financial information as occurred here." In prepared testimony PDF filed today ahead of Ray's appearance before the House Financial Services Committee, he laid out 5 points that give us at least a hint about charges Bankman-Fried could potentially face. While many things are unknown at this stage and many questions remain, we know the following. First, customer assets from FTX.com were commingled with assets from the Alameda trading platform. Second, Alameda used client funds to engage in margin trading, which exposed customer funds to massive losses. Third, the FTX group went on a spending binge in late 2021 through 2022, during which approximately $5 billion was spent buying a myriad of businesses and investments, many of which may be worth only a fraction of what was paid for them. Fourth, loans and other payments were made to insiders in excess of $1 billion. Fifth, Alameda's business model as a market maker required deploying funds to various third-party exchanges which were inherently unsafe and further exacerbated by the limited protections offered in certain foreign jurisdictions. This is an emerging story. Stick to us at Savvy Finance, and we will be sure to keep you updated on how the story unfolds. Thanks for watching.